One of my most asked questions is what to eat before a workout, and for me it's going to depend on two things. Are you training first thing in the morning, or are you training at lunchtime, or are you training after work? If you're training first thing in the morning, personally I would fast. So I would get hydrated when I wake up, have some water, have some sort of caffeine, either an energy drink or a coffee or a caffeine tablet. Get yourself into the gym as quickly as possible. Most of the time you're probably not going to be able to digest what you have at that time in the morning. If you're somebody that's really hungry at that time in the morning, maybe have a banana or a protein shake for some quick acting, easy digesting food and get yourself in. For those training at lunchtime, or if you're training after work, I would recommend a mixed meal of a protein source and some sort of carbohydrate. Don't be afraid of carbohydrates, no matter what people say, that's going to be important to fuel your training. Meals that I would potentially go to, maybe something like oats and whey, so that's porridge oats and some whey protein. Mixes really easily, you can have it at your desk if you're an office worker, you can make it really easily if you're studying at the library, anything like that, nice and easy for you. If you've got a really short time between your meal and you're working out, maybe something quicker digesting like some cereal. I'm a big advocate of Cocoa Pops, so don't be afraid of that. Any kind of further away from the workout, you can add things like dark chocolate, something that will slow your digestion a little bit as well, and it helps you to get a bit of a good pump in your performance. So a couple of different options for you guys, hopefully that's helpful.